Get paid to work from home online. Jobs you probably haven't heard of. Hello, freedom chasers, champions. Welcome to my YouTube video. My name is Kay, and I work from home, and I've been working from home since 2012, May of 2012 to be exact. And I want to thank you for joining me today. Today, we're going to talk about jobs that pay you to work from home online. So, I've picked out some of my favorites that are available now in March of 2018. But before I jump in, I always like to give you a little bit of motivation. So, today, I just want to tell you that if you want to work from home, you can work from home, and don't let anyone tell you that you can't. Okay, so here is the motivational quote of the day by Mr. Steve Jobs. If you are working on something exciting that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. The vision pulls you. This is so true. If you find something that you really want to do, the vision pulls you even when you're tired or you're not in the space where you want to be. If it's something that you really want to do, the vision will continue to pull you, and you will daydream about it, and you will think about it when you sleep, and you'll think about it when you wake up. And so if that for you is working from home, then let that vision pull you, and let people like me help you and provide the resources you need to work from home. You can have the work life you want. So let's look at some of the awesome companies and positions that you probably haven't heard of. First one that we're going to talk about is called Transcribe Me, and you can become a paid transcriptionist. This is an pretty easy. You just sign up on this one, and you will be taken to, but you've got to be able to type. Now, if you are one of those people that kind of pecks your way by, this is probably not the gig for you. This company does pay really well, though. They pay $20 per audio hour, and audio hours are different than regular hours. So do know that. But $20 per audio hour is actually very good. They've got people earning $2,200 a month just transcribing from home. They've also got people that are earning $250 a month that just maybe they just want enough to cover a car payment. But if you can type and you want to work from home from your laptop, this is a great place to do it. They're top rated best work from home site. So all you do is just click join the team and follow the instructions. It's called transcribeme.com. Now remember, I will have all of this information in the show notes below. So feel free to click that link from there. The next one is also a transcription job, and it's called QuickTate, and it's quicktate.com. And the requirements for this one are you will have to go through a reference and background check, and you will also need to know how to type. So look at what some of their typists have to say. This person says, I love QuickTate. Another person said, I have enjoyed working with QuickTake since 2010, very professional company. This person says, I can work whenever I want for as long as I want. So they've got some really great feedback from the people that are already transcribers with them. So that's pretty cool. And that's quicktate.com. The next is a company called Zirtual.com. And the remote positions that they currently have available, this is not transcribing. This is going to be more of your virtual assistant role. So right now they've got a virtual assistant remote role, but this is for US candidates only, and it's 9 to 6 Eastern time. So make sure that you are familiar with the time zone. But they do have other remote positions every now and then, so definitely be sure to look. I think they're based in Ohio, I want to say, but great company. I have referred this to a few people that have that great admin background that are looking for, that are in the US looking for work. So very cool. Virtual assistant gig. The next one is a company, and this is for customer service. There are a couple different ones. This company is called Privia Health, and they do offer telework. It's a customer experience specialist, and it's all remote, but you will have to be on the phone. You're going to support a growing physicians network, which is pretty cool. You only need a high school diploma for this one, but you have to be familiar with healthcare billing and claim resolution. It's preferred, but you don't have to be, but it is preferred. So you'll get that edge if you are familiar with healthcare billing. You need to be able to work an 8-hour shift between 8 and 6, and you should be able to communicate in a clear and concise and effective manner. They've got the normal, you need to be organized. And I always say that if you work from home, you need to be pretty organized. So go ahead and give this one a whirl. The next one is a company called Schedule Once, and they are in Oklahoma. And I found this one actually on Indeed. They just posted it. And you would be a customer support specialist. You would be working from home. You would answer phone calls and emails from customers. They are an software as a service company. You have full paid training and paid sick days. This one pays about $30,000 a year, which is not so bad. For someone wanting to work from home, that's great with benefits. So we know how expensive healthcare insurance is these days. So with benefits is great, and paid training, awesome. The last company that I want to talk to you about is a company called EXL. And you just have to go to their website because they've got so many remote roles at this company. Everything from an ops manager, and make sure that it says US remote. Okay? But this company prides themselves in hiring remote workers, program managers, case managers, um, developers, account managers, consultants. So please go and look at this company. They offer a lot of different remote roles, and I was pretty impressed with the number of remote roles that they have. Um, about their organization, their customers are insurance, healthcare, banking, and financial services companies, and they deliver solutions from where the clients need them. They take client service very seriously, and it says that you can learn more about them and about Excel by, clicking through their website, which I won't bore you with because you can do that on your own. But definitely check out EXL. It's a company, they hire remote workers, and I'm sure you have not heard of them. And I'm sure if you have heard of them, then you haven't heard of Schedule Once, or you haven't heard of Privia Health, or you haven't heard of Zirtual. I know that I gave you at least one company that you haven't heard of. So, with that said, those are some awesome companies that you can go apply to today. Make sure you check below, check the show notes, get the information you need. Now, if you want to see more awesome videos like this one, then please hit that thumbs up like button for me. And please also subscribe, because you know what? You can have the work life you want, and I will give you the resources to help you get it. When you subscribe, also comment below and let me know what type of job you're looking for. Let me help you. So hit that subscribe button. Go below and comment, I subscribed, and let me welcome you, personally welcome you. I welcome each and every person that comes to this channel, and I look forward to helping each and every one of you to live your work from home dreams. Please also hit that notification bell so anytime I come out with new content, you will get the freshest and the best content available to help you work from home. I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to seeing each and every one of you. And I look forward to building some great relationships with other people that are working from home just as I am. So until next time, guys, have an amazing rest of your week. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Have an amazing day. This is Kay signing off. Bye bye for now.